In this video, I will show you how to do a Remitly money transfer to China. So to do this, just go to remitly.com or download the app on your phone. Now, after doing that, at the top you will see your country and the country you're sending to. Make sure both of these correct, so here just click on the drop down and first select your country, and then in the other section where it says to, for me it's China right now, just click on the drop down and make sure it says China for you as well if you want to send to China. After doing that, just choose how much you want to send or how much you want the person to receive. But for example, I will say 80 dirham. And then you can see how much the person is going to receive, and on your first transfer you don't have to pay any fees. So then click get this rate, and now if you don't have an account yet, which you most likely don't, then just click sign up. But if you do already have an account, then just go and sign into your account. Now creating your account should only take 1 or 2 minutes, but I'll just go and sign into my account. Then after doing that, for me it was reset to sending to the Philippines. So if that is for you as well, then just click on the drop down and make sure that you set it to China again. So search for China and then select it. And then here click send money. Then from here again, make sure it's set to the correct amount. And then just go and click on continue. And then here choose how you want the money to be delivered to the person in China. So you can pick bank deposit, Alipay or WeChat. So for example, I'll go with Alipay, and then here enter their Alipay login ID. Then enter their family name and given name. And then the steps after that kind of depend on what delivery method you picked. And you will need to enter your own payment details, how you want to pay for the transfer, and sometimes also the relationship to the recipient and why you are sending the money. And then just go and pay for it, and then the money will be on its way to your recipient in China. So now you know how to do a Remitly money transfer to China. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.